Mm, My driver lie in the Jinx. My name is Sebastián Camilo Sánchez Rodríguez. Sonia, Sonia study. Uh, where with I lived, I lived in a big, more modern property in Vélez, a dark countryside is more peaceful, had but with I have I with bit profession certainly a more influence from a daily life in technology. This I with bit I to maneuver animal heads use sensor and app might light at bit food on phenol dish and family and get bit a to speak much better English. Family and free time and I get enjoy have more time for my children. I will drive they get my time to food school. Motivation my children with my biggest motivation. I would have the and bed feature for them. Feature through and adversions. I get tries to Amazon restaurant get my family. I might also version Brazil to learn more about car Manoichens.